Think my dinosaur's cute or yes or no?
Morning, guys. It's 7:48. We're here again. It's our last week of this session, so we should find out by the end if he gets to go do Learn to Play. So we will see. Head into the locker room. Yeah, throw in the toy for Teddy. And then after like a bunch of times, I threw it and look where it landed. He won't get it, keeps barking. Get it! Go ahead, go up and get it! It's like a purple rubbery dog that squeaks. He loves it. I got it on Chewy for like $1.50, I think. He loves it. Get it, Teddy! Where's your toy? Where's your toy?
You're lying, Dolores. And one mustn't tell lies.
Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. It's 11:30. We just did our virtual mass here at home. And Stephen just took the boys to my parents to cut their lawn. And Emma's here because she's cleaning her room. When they get back, we'll do lunch. Me and Emma can have lunch in a little while. And then, the boys can have lunch when they get back. And then we will be setting up our tent. And we're going to be camping out this evening. Do a campfire, some s'mores after dinner. And Steven said we'll cook up we've got a frozen lasagna. And we'll cook it up in here and we can eat outside. To be like we're camping out. And, it'll be fun. We have the VMAs on tonight, so I kind of would like to watch some of that. So, we'll do dinner, and we'll do campfire, and we'll put on the VMAs in here, and we can come watch some of the VMAs, and then by, 10 o'clock, we can all go to bed. You know what I mean? I think it's on till 11, but we'll see. We'll probably let them stay up till 10, and then, we'll all go to bed, and Teddy's going to sleep in the tent. And so, yeah, I don't know how much we'll be, hanging outside. The kids can, we can play games in the tent. We'll try to get Stephen to hang out in the tent some of the afternoon. We don't have, so that way we'll vlog what we're doing. And then tomorrow I'll upload the vlog. What do I have going on tomorrow? Outfit for a senior picture. I want to kind of have that in my head. I got a call phone call for Girl Scouts and get that situated. 2 phone calls on that. And then one day this week I want to go get the supplies that I'm going to need and start making up the bags for each girl for Girl Scouts for their badge work that will start in October. So I want to start getting that because it might take a few trips. So we'll talk to you later. It's about 1:30. Look how gorgeous it is out. And it's like a nice breeze. It's like so cooling. Emma's got to finish up cleaning her room. And yeah.
In the backyard.
And these here, the drawers if we need any. So we're going to get all our camping stuff. Is that today or no? No, today's Sunday.
Some other day.
Another day. All right. Step 1, get everything out in the back. Don't look at Daddy's butt. Okay, here comes the awning.
Alright, you need to get off your ass now.
Yep. Alright, so the tent is up. Whoop, we did the awning. Let me show you. Wait a minute. In here, I'm gonna leave the door shut. Mommy and Daddy. We got Emma over there. And we got Sebastian and Ben. And that way we'll have all this empty space. If anyone has to get up and go to the bathroom, we're good. And later we'll be doing dinner over here. And we'll do campfire. And we'll have to see. Maybe in the morning we can make pancakes or something. Because we do have a bunch in there. We could do that. Maybe Daddy will do them on the grill. He did pancakes on the grill with Girl Scout camp out. Because we had said, you know, for the families to do whatever you want. You know, you could do outdoor cooking at breakfast, have fun, take a walk. And so Daddy was cool and he made pancakes out here. While we all kind of woke up slowly, me, Ben, and Emma. So maybe, we'll see. See what he feels like doing. See how the weather is and stuff. Supposed to be nice. We're hoping to keep this up a couple days. I saw when I first decided today to do this, it wasn't supposed to be this windy, but it said rain Wednesday, so I thought we could do it Sunday night and then Monday night and take it down. But then yesterday I looked and it says no rain all week. So we'll see. We want to keep it up, and then like if the kids want to sleep again tomorrow night, and then if in a couple nights Daddy and I want to come back and sleep, and maybe Sebastian, depending on his work schedule. Yeah, because this week he's not doing much. He's only working tomorrow and then on the weekend. So he could do another night too this week. So maybe we'll keep it up. We will see what happens. And that's what we wanted to do. Dad's like, you know, it's a big tent, but it was pretty simple with Sebastian here, having all of us help. So we want to keep it up a few days, you know. The kids love it. So it's so nice out, but it's very windy. But it's manageable. It's all staked down. We got the cover. Oh, it's good. Oh, I told Ben, I don't think he did that hole, did he? To tell him. He made a hole the other day in our lawn. So, let me go. I gotta do some laundry. I think I definitely gotta do towels. I think that's probably it. Might be 2 loads of towels. And then I'm good for the week. So, I do laundry on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, depending how busy I am. I might get it done all Saturday. Sometimes I finish it up. Yesterday I took a nap. And after my nap, I totally forgot I was doing the first load of laundry. So then I could only get 3 loads in yesterday. So now I got to finish with towels. So I'll go do that. And then I'll probably see about any Girl Scout stuff I need to work on. Oh, I could go to Dollar Tree, start getting the supplies. Maybe Emma wants to come with me. So we'll see. Hey guys, it is 4:25. Emma was able to clean her room. She did it by herself. I just came in the past hour. I cleaned up and wiped down her nightstand on top and her vanity. And I just vacuumed, and she wanted her bed back this way. It seemed, and I'm hoping it's the truth, that she'll keep it clean, and she did do a better job, I think, when it was this way. Not sure. That was a sand thing. She made it Mimi's. I like it this way because I like the rug this way better, and she won't.
And at night, she can see me, and I can see her.
Oh, really? That's right.
But don't keep on looking at me at night.
No, I don't usually. That skirt needs to be moved
But
over.
I may look at you at night.
This week, I wanted to re-clean up the cubes, and that's like a junk thing, so she needs to decide what's in there and decide, fix the books. What?
It looks really weird.
No, it's all right. Oh, behind the house, there's dolls. And then that way you can
Yeah, right. They fell down and
get those. And then she'll have to clean up this desk.
Which one do you like better?
The bags have to go under her bed.
Which one do you like
And
better?
animals. Oh, these are those mini ones.
Yeah.
I have the thing down.
Well,
And Daddy already put it for donation.
I use these more.
Oh, well, you
I
like
used
them.
these for
Yeah, I knew we weren't going to keep it, so whatever. People have what they have, and they'll have to collect the others. All right, right here. These under your bed. Clothes away. Animals under your bed.
Okay, sure.
Let's go.
Wait, did you even show?
It's 6:15. We're eating our lasagna outside. Daddy and Sebastian's on their way out. Easy. And then we'll make up some fire and do s'mores.
Chompers, what did I say? Gotta be nice.
Tree over there.
Is there?
You want to look at it?
It's like
go
7
get it out
o'clock.
of the tree?
A little after 7. Daddy, we built the fire. We got our thingies going. And there's a couple behind me. Yeah, a couple behind me. Oh, and he's got the rope lights on too. Teddy's out here too. Hi.
Teddy!
Watch out for the fire.
Teddy! I'm gonna go this way. Think my dinosaurs also or yes? Comment down below.
Yeah, we can get them out again. Doing our marshmallows. I'm gonna do mine too. It's just about 8 o'clock. A little bit after. Oh yeah. Emma, lift it up higher, like Ben.
You're gonna go slow. Turn it. Turn it slow because otherwise you're gonna.
Yeah, you want it to be nice and soft in the middle. Turn it, Emma. Yours is roasting good there. That's it, Emma. Benjamin, you're getting it. Oh, a lot of activity today. It's probably like at least 20 past 10. We watched the VMAs till they were done at 10:15. And Teddy loves to come out here in the
I'm
tent.
trying to cover his prime part. He's going crazy.
There we go. So, Sebastian just realized he forgot to take his melatonin, and his pajama pants are inside out. So he's in there. Daddy's fixing the door over here to shut it. I need my drink.
Show out my outfit. I really like it.
She has this glow-in-the-dark phone skeleton thing.
And they have a heart.
From, where'd we get it?
Cold.
Kohl's.
I like it. It's really comfortable. And really soft. It's really thin though. So maybe get cold. Which is
No, put your bag in. It's only,
Turn it without outside.
it's only supposed to be like 52. They got extra blankets.
Warm
Yeah. Because people might have windows open. Here comes Sebastian. Can I get into your bed? No, Daddy's right here. Ah, you put shorts on? And Teddy followed him in. Sebastian just came in. It's hard to see him over there though. Teddy's eyes are glowing in my vlog. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What? What are you doing? He's going behind the bed.
No. Don't jump on my bed, please. He keeps leaving the tent, coming back.
Watch, wait, I want to watch the vlog when he comes back in.
Yeah, watch. It's like glowing. Get him to come back in, Ben. Maybe he has to pee now.
God, the orb. The orb going.
No, it's just dust.
I just came back in.
All right.
But Teddy, why are you?
See, that was dust.
Oh.
I'm thinking. But I don't know.
I'm scared now.
No, it's alright. It's just shit
No, I see
outside.
dust.
Yeah, it's just like particles outside.
Sand.
Sand?
Small sand flying in the air.
No.
Just-
Buggies or things. I don't know. Where's Teddy?
He's outside.
Alright, good.
Okay. Keep it on. I want to watch him.
He's over by the swing set.
And then the rest you can
Is
delete. You can delete the other.
Mm.
Like the clip. Or just pause it and watch. Start it.
Mm. Gemma. Teddy!
Oh, he's scary! He's super scary!
All right, Emma.
Come here, Ben. Hurry up.
It's like 10:30. Can she shut up?
All right. Ooh. Make sure the doggy's door is shut. Watch, look at him, look at him.
Teddy.
Teddy.
He looks like Carol O'Brien. If you don't even...
They were laughing because the dog's eyes are so glowing. I have my flashlight on so that we can see everybody.
Sunday night. It's not a Saturday night.
See, the Teddy's ready to lay down.
He's a good boy.
Is the dog shut?
I don't know.
All right, Ben, check the doggy door. No. Ben, shut the doggy door. All right, guys, we'll see you
Sleep in your sleeping bag, please.
in the next vlog. This is going to be it for the weekend. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Woo! Give this video a thumbs up.
Oh, this lost air.
Didn't?
Yep, get off of it.
Okay. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. And thanks for watching.
Benjamin.
Do it,